Most people finish work and collapse into the couch, scrolling endlessly on their phones until bedtime. But what if your evenings could actually fuel your success instead of draining it? I used to waste my evenings feeling exhausted and guilty, but once I made a few changes, my evenings became the most productive, peaceful, and meaningful part of my day. Today, I'll share the 8 evening habits that completely transformed my life after work. Habit 1. Building evening structure. The first thing I learned is that unstructured time always gets wasted. Instead of drifting through the evening, I started setting a loose routine. Not every minute is scheduled, but I have anchor points, like a set time for dinner, a 20-minute walk, and a fixed cutoff for screens. This structure gave my evenings purpose without feeling rigid. Habit 2. Digital wellness reset. Evenings are where most of us lose control to screens. Endless scrolling, binge watching, notifications. It's designed to consume you. I started using simple tricks, putting my phone on Do Not Disturb, setting app timers, and leaving devices outside the bedroom. Suddenly, I had hours back I didn't even realize I was losing. Habit 3. Psychological recharge. After work, your brain craves rest, but rest doesn't just mean lying flat. I started using psychological resets, journaling for 5 minutes, writing gratitude lists, and even quick brain dumps of unfinished tasks. This clears the mind, reducing stress, and letting you fully enjoy your evening. Habit 4. Mindfulness and emotional balance. We carry the stress of work home with us, whether we realize it or not. That's why I began practicing short mindfulness sessions, just 10 minutes of breathing or meditation before dinner. This helped me shift out of work mode and into life mode, so my evenings felt like a reset instead of an extension of the workday. Habit 5. Social and connection time. Evenings were my loneliest hours. I realized connection is a powerful form of renewal. Whether it's having dinner with family, calling a friend, or spending time with a partner. These interactions recharge you in ways no screen ever could. If you live alone, even a short community activity or online hobby group can bring the same effect. Habit 6. Creative expression and passion projects. One of the best changes I made was replacing passive entertainment with creative expression. Instead of binging shows, I picked up drawing, writing, and small side projects. Not only did this make my evenings fulfilling, but it also gave me skills and opportunities that spilled over into my career. Habit 7. Energy management, body and brain. Evenings don't have to be about winding down into a slump. Light exercise like a walk, yoga, or stretching releases tension and boosts energy. Pair that with proper nutrition, avoiding heavy junk food late at night, and you'll notice deeper sleep and better mornings. Energy isn't just managed in the morning, it's decided the night before. Habit 8. Integration and consistency. All these habits sound good, but here's the real secret. Don't try to do them all at once. Pick 1 or 2 habits and stick with them until they become automatic. Once they're part of your life, add another. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It compounds slowly. But in a few months, you'll look back and realize your evenings have completely transformed. Your evenings can either be the biggest energy drain of your day or the greatest source of growth. The choice is yours. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll turn your evenings into a secret weapon for success. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies to live a better life.